Hello and welcome back. Today I have another frequency counter, and it just came with the multimeter that I bought. And yeah, according to the seller, it is up to 1 megahertz, and it's from Klaasing electronics. It's the KE 1010, and well, it has seen better days. So we're gonna see. It's probably rebranded, so we're gonna find out what brand it actually is, and see if it still works. I zoom in. Well, here it is. Our Klaasing electronics. Yeah, there is really no markings of the brand anywhere. It is very dusty. As you can see, the buttons is all dirty, but I'm not complaining, no? Okay. And in the back it doesn't say anything. In the bottom it doesn't say anything. So I wonder if we open it up, if we can see maybe a brand name or a manufacturer, or sometimes there is even a type number on the circuit board that kind of yeah, shows you what the brand is. Like the peak tag, the frequency counter, I could see that it was from Xeltex, and same for the DMM from peak tag. Was also the circuit boards was from also from Xeltex. So yeah, maybe we find out from this one. Before we open, I like to see if it works, because if I break something, at least I knew if it if it worked before I opened it or not. So let's put the power plug. Ah yes, oh nice. The display, let's get the cable. Let's first put in 10 megahertz. It has one channel. It does work. It's a little bit off. Let me see. Oh, this is an auto mode, so it automatically switches from 10 to 100. Yeah, the 0 was here. So maybe if I take it off the auto mode. Ah, yeah, okay. It's because it's a little bit off, it's not showing. 1 second. 10 seconds. It's okay. It is kind of precise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits. Not bad. And but in the auto mode, it just doesn't want to do the 10 seconds. Okay. There's a hold function. Okay, that works. Attenuation. Yeah, that works, I think. Okay, let's open it up. It's just 4 screws in the bottom. We can open it. And oh, it's not that full. Actually, it's almost empty. Look at this. And there we can already see it's from Xaruba. So we can have a look on the internet what we can find about it. Okay, I did find something, and it's here on the Radio Museum. And it's apparently sold under the Xaruba, and I also found something that it was Xeltex, and then it was the same DOA number. This is an all-in-one, as you can see, but if you also look, the frequency counter is exactly the same. It's in here, and it is indeed from South Korea, from the 90s. And yeah, well, here we have the specifications, and the frequency counter indeed goes to 100. So that is all we know about it. But yeah, let's clean it. Yes, here we have a little bit a better look. I could zoom in a bit. So this is really our frequency counter as we have it here. And this is even the same font, this and this. So. Okay, here we have it open, and if you can see, it just runs on a standard crystal. And we have here a trimmer capacitor, so we can just change it. And yeah, the rest is just logics, dividers, amplification. Here's a transformer, the power supply, so it's quite simple. They can add a lot of more things. Well, it already opens, so that will be easy to clean. Yeah, I really like to clean it well. So this is already open, that is good. You can see we can easily access all the buttons. Only thing is the power is still, power switch is here and the BNC is here, and I see this one we can just take out. So I'll just take out the BNC. So, and the power switch already goes by itself, so that was not that good connected. So, and the display, there are two connectors. I'm not sure if they are the same size, but as you can see, but I don't want to make a mistake, so I will just mark one of them. Let's put the one in the back. So that we don't get confused. Now we can give it a proper clean. As you can see, there is a switch here. There is room for a switch here, and I put two little bridges there, and it says 100. So apparently you can have also the 1000 version, because here you see 10, 100, and there is another hole, but to put a sticker in front. But also doesn't, maybe they never finished that, because I also saw in the Xaruba and the Xeltex that they also only went up to 100. But yeah, I think we also take out the display, because let's put this here. And we're going to unscrew this and see if we can, yeah, well, no, it's not necessary, because I see here that they just fixed the display by melting the plastic. So even if I get it out, I probably still cannot reach it, so we leave it as it is. Well, the front is finished. Look at this. I found out that the buttons are actually decolored a bit, as you can see here. There is a little bit of a brown tip, but they go out very easily, and if I put them upside down they look a lot better, and usually you look from the top. So I'm gonna put them all upside down. Okay, that looks a lot better. Now to the calibration. I'm using the capacitor trimmer. I have this plastic, and it has a tiny bit in the front, so it should not influence the trimmer, but if you like you can also use the ceramic ones. But yeah, I just got now this one from my drawer. So let's see if we can adjust. That is too high. That actually goes quite well. Put to 10 seconds. So that's it. It looks a lot better than it did. It is better adjusted as it was. Yes, it runs on a standard crystal, so when the temperature varies a little bit, it could change its frequency, but for now it is okay. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.